Welcome to our beautiful home in East Launceston. The overall design process working with My Build Collective, it felt very seamless, and they took it from being a really unloved home and did a complete renovation, and I think did it justice.
I really feel that the design that they delivered fits the lay of the land really well. From the start, the brief was all about efficient use of space because the block's quite narrow.
We originally had no parking off-street, and they were able to make 2 off-street car parks for us, which was really helpful.
When you roll up to the front of the house, it really doesn't look like much, but if you look at it from the side, that's when you start to notice the depth of the home and how much space there is there. On that same level, you've got a master bedroom that extended out the back, wrapping round into a walk-through wardrobe, and then the old kitchen is now our ensuite. So it's a nice big ensuite, plenty of space for a bathtub, which is our first bathtub in 10 years. So we finally get to have another bath sometime. And then head downstairs, and that's the entire new open plan living, kitchen, dining.
Once you walk out from the open plan living area downstairs, you just go straight out onto the deck. There's a lot of attention to detail there.
First of all, the timber of the deck matches the eaves, which matches the nice hardwood floor, and it just also matches the shelving behind us as well. So that really ties the interior and the exterior together nicely.
One of my favourite things about the outdoor area is the lighting, and they planted a tree in the deck as well, which comes up really nicely at night time. The thing that impressed me the most about working with My Build was the passion for what they do. It was really clear from the very start, from the communication with us to taking us through the design process, and you could see that during the build they took real pride in their work. With the old home, we got rid of the front door, and they just surprised us. They'd made it into a couple of pocket doors within the house.
Yeah, they held onto those doors for probably until the final month of the build, and it wasn't until then that they figured out how they could repurpose them, and it turned into something really special.
Yeah.
We were thrilled with that.
I love the laundry chute. So there's a laundry chute going from the ensuite upstairs, and it goes straight down to the laundry area that's in the butler's pantry downstairs.
I think the home really matches our personality and style. We wanted something warm, we wanted something kind of classic and timeless with a bit of contemporary in there, and we feel like it ended up being a really good balance. It all came together in something that we still kind of stand around and just go, oh, this is really nice.
This is really our home.
I'd absolutely recommend My Build. We really enjoyed our time working with them. We think the product that they delivered was outstanding.
They made the whole process really seamless for us, and again, coming in not really knowing maybe what we were doing at the start, they made it really, really easy, and we're just really impressed with the quality of their work.
They really did make it easy, and it was less of a service that they were providing us and more of a collaboration. We really felt like we were partners working together and creating a really nice space.